Hey guys, Tim with Kitchen and Craft here, and this week I received delivery of the Neapolitan Artisan Pizza Kit from Solo Stove. Now, it's currently for sale for about $145 on Solo Stove's website. Should you pick one of these kits up when you buy your pie pizza oven? I guess the verdict's still out. I haven't baked a pizza with any of these ingredients yet, so let's open the kit up, go through all of the goodies, and then we can bake a pizza with everything and see how it turns out. All right, as you open up this box, you're gonna see the information card right on top. That just has some steps laid out that you can refer to and how to prepare your ingredients. And it also has some nutritional information for each product inside the kit. Now, when you open up the cooler, you're gonna see some dry ice and some packing paper. Take all that stuff out, but be careful, that dry ice can be pretty cold. The first thing I'm gonna take out here are the frozen dough balls. You get 12 of them, and they're about 255 grams or 9 ounces a piece. Drop those right in the freezer if you're not gonna use them right away. Okay. Next, you get the San Marzano tomato sauce. There's 4 packets of those included, and each packet can make about 3 to 4 pizzas. After that, you get 3 pounds of fresh mozzarella. Again, place those in the freezer if you're not ready to use them. I put one immediately in my fridge because, I was preparing for this video. After that, we've got a giant 24-ounce stick of pepperoni. This is the Ezzo brand of pepperoni, and it's a pretty good product, great for making pizzas. That's everything in the kit, and like I said, I'd pulled some of these ingredients a few days before I was ready to use them. The dough has been in my fridge for 2 days, and I left it out on the counter for about 3 hours before I started shooting this video. All right, here's a dough ball that's been chilling in my fridge for a couple of days, thawing out. And you can see that there's some cracks on the surface of the dough. Now, I don't know if that's something that happened during the freezing process, or just because the dough balls are exposed to air, and maybe that's just what happens, is they sort of dry out on the surface. Not sure, but I definitely wanted to point that out in case I have any issues stretching the dough and the dough tearing while I'm working with it. All right, a little flour on the surface here. Keep that dough from sticking too much. A little flour on top. There we go. Now, I'm just gonna start pushing all of the air out to the edge of the pizza. This dough definitely feels drier, like a lower hydration than the doughs that I make at home. I'll have to ask Solo Stove what their hydration content is on this dough. I'm just gonna do this. Do a little stretchy. That information card says you can make about a 12-inch pizza with this dough. I don't know, man. We'll see if I can get there. All right, that's about as far as I can go, or at least I feel comfortable going, stretching this dough without tearing it. What is the diameter? 11 1/4. So not quite 12. It is what it is. Here's this San Marzano pizza sauce. I can see they've added some dried herbs to it, and it's a pretty fine puree here. There's not a lot of texture in this sauce. No idea if it's raw or cooked. I'm going to assume it's cooked. Perfect. And this is the fresh mozzarella. I call it mozzarella caprese. I'm gonna put, there's 4 ounces in this container. I think I'm gonna do about maybe 3. Yeah, that looks good. Seems like a decent amount of pepperoni. What do you guys think for a little 11-inch pizza? That's probably pretty good. Yeah. All right, the stone temp is somewhere around 815, somewhere in there, 815 degrees Fahrenheit. And in goes the pizza. There we go. It started to stick to the peel a little bit. And got a little toasty on that back end there. Just a little bit. Man, these pepperonis though, they look great. Pepperonis are curling up, getting little roni cups. Let's see here. There we go. What do you guys think? Huh? Not bad. That looks pretty good. And there is the first pizza made with the dough from the Artisan Pizza Kit. So actually, let's take a look at this first. Bottom, a little toasty around the outside. Some people might consider that a little too dark, but good enough for me, man. I like my pizza a little extra crispy anyways. The dough is soft. Definitely soft. Actually, let's go over here. You can see that there's not a lot of large pockets in the dough, but it feels light. Still feels light. All right, now it's the moment of truth. So let's see where we're at with flavor. How about that? Pepperoni's delicious. It's got pretty good texture. Overall, not bad for a pre-made kit. Honestly, you know, if you're just getting one of these pizza ovens and you don't want to worry about dough too much, you might just want to buy one of these kits so you can focus on the mechanics of the oven and how to use your oven rather than trying to manage dough and getting to know your oven at the same time. I feel like the dough could use a little bit more salt. I might add some freshly grated parm or pecorino to the top of this pizza just to add a little bit more salt to everything. But overall, you know, not bad at all. If you have any questions for me about this, hit me in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. With anything that I can't answer for you right off the bat, I'll send an email to Silastove and try to get the answer for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you next time.